Hello, IB History Scholars. It's Mr. Newcomb. Hopefully, week one of distant learning hasn't been too difficult for you. I want to take time here to deal with some housekeeping items. Attendance. It is important that you keep checking into Schoology periodically. I might be putting some new assignments in there, make an update or a post, but you do want to get in the habit of checking into Schoology periodically. If you haven't done it yet, do it ASAP. I am to report attendances. And so I can look at the analytics on Schoology and see if you have checked in or not. So let's just do it. The assignment, the first assignment here was Impact of the Rwandan Conflict. It is due Friday, April 3rd. It was a series of focus questions, so it really wasn't that difficult to do. So let's take care of business and get that turned in on time. Anticipate that the next assignment will step it up a few notches here. We are going to be moving on to the second case study in the Conflict and Intervention Unit, and the spotlight will be on Kosovo. With Kosovo, I do want to highlight location, and the location is in Europe, and so some are going to make a claim that because it is in Europe, the international community is going to have greater interest. Also, during the Kosovo conflict, there will be debate. Was there ethnic cleansing or genocide occurring in this conflict? Also, during the conflict, there is division within the international community. The United Nations and NATO are not on the same page on how intervention, or if intervention, should occur in this conflict. And just like in Rwanda, there are going to be dominant personalities here. So the first assignment related to the Kosovo conflict will be about causes. You will have an opportunity here to work with a classmate if you so choose. Just want to bear in mind that if you are collaborating, that you do not have contact with anyone. So use one of those tools in which you can collaborate with. The finished product is going to be a brochure on the causes of Kosovo crisis. You can find all the instructions and expectations on a Schoology post. This will be due Thursday, April 9th. And finally here, if we were in the regular classrooms, you know on Fridays we would have our current events game. Well, because we're not in the classroom, I still want to extend that opportunity to you. And so you'll have an enrichment opportunity. What you want to do is you want to find a contemporary issue that is related to Kosovo and Serbia. You'll have to obviously GTS for this contemporary issue. And again, when I talk about an issue, it's usually about tension between these two countries. They still are. Kosovo had celebrated its independence in 2008, and since then, there has been tension between both Kosovo and Serbia. However, with that said, this contemporary issue must be in the last 6 months. It cannot be related to COVID-19. There will be a Google form for you to fill out if you want to receive the enrichment points, and the due date for this is Monday, April 6th. So if you are interested in it, take some time, find a contemporary issue related to the difficulties between Kosovo and Serbia. So with that, be sure that you are being safe, practicing good social distancing, taking some time for yourself. Take care.